BC Crypto Nation on the Crypto News Network. We are just doing our little Luna thing. Now, like I said, we're going to run Luna out a little bit here. And the thing is we're trying to get $50 up to 4 mil. We'll see how that goes. If that happens, we're going to be giving away $100,000. So root for that, man. Root for it. Probably give away $500,000. Why not? We'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, we're going to use the profits as we go in and out of these ups and downs. And we're going to start investing in ApeCoin. So in our Discord, we have a thing called Ape Nation. Discord's at the linktree.com/venture capitalist. You can join a free Discord where you got a bunch of crypto fanatics up in there who literally spend their time living in crypto. So if you're looking for a group or someone to join, something to listen to, something to give advice to, or even come along and give it share thoughts and help other people be successful, it's an open group, guys. Once again, linktree.com/venture capitalist. So let's get into this. So right now, what we have is our Luna where we sold out, took profits, and we just bought back in. So we got $156 extra money here. We're going to take 50 of it, like I said the last video. We're going to continue to put 50 bucks into ApeCoin in the margins on a 10x, and we're going to stretch out. So right now it's a good time because ApeCoin just went through a dip. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, how you do that is simple. You have to go over to your margins up top, click your isolated, scroll down, you're going to see your ApeCoin, right? On ApeCoin, we're going to slide all the way to the right. And when you see on the right there, you're going to see the borrow, or what's called transfer. So what we're going to do here is click on the transfer button. Because what we want to do is from the trading account, we just want to transfer another $50 over to ApeCoin. Right? Now you see in there our debt to ratio was set at 85%. And now we're down to 77%. So now the key is we want to keep this at around 80%. Right? So this means we're allowed to actually go in here and borrow some USDT. Now, since I put $50 in, it's a 10x, which means they give me 500. Or they would lend me $400 to my, what would they lend me? They would lend me $450 to my 50 to make my 500. But it looks like we have a little bit extra here. So what we're going to do here is basically, let's take 200 of what we're able to borrow. Get rid of, where are you guys at? Can you see? Oh, there you go. So right here, you can see on the $615, since I put 50 in, 10x would make it basically a $500. I would be able to take $50 and borrow 500. So the beautiful thing here is that on this point, we're able to actually sneak in here, and our 450 they're letting us borrow would make 500. Looks like we have an extra $115 on there. We're going to borrow 200 of it. We're going to get rid of the 28-day and the 14-day. And how you do that is you simply click them and leave the 7-day. We're going to borrow 200. Let's go ahead and hit it. That's going to bring our debt to ratio up to 84%. That's okay. We want to stay around that mark. Anything below, I like 82%. But what that's going to do for us is give us basically our $50 is now worth $200. We're going to come over here. We're going to buy a little more ape on this dip. Ooh, look at this dip, baby. So the 200 we borrowed plus the 50 that we moved over gives us $250 of ApeCoin, which we'll be picking up at $7.48. Let's put a stop market here and buy a specific amount, so $7.48. Let's do 49, call it a day. 100%. $7.48. Let's see if we can catch a dip. Come on, Ape. Come on back down to 748, boys. Which is a good little call there, because, 10% on that would be 70 cents. So that means that we'd be looking for Ape to kind of cross $8.20 for profit lines, which we can take a little profits later. There we go. Cha-ching. Now, more than likely, this is probably going to drop down a little more. I could have got in on this wick here about $7.40. But honestly, at this very moment, I'm not really looking at the charts on the trading side. I'm just moving money over and I'll adjust later. But if you want to learn how to look at the lines, the Fibonacci's, the entries, because entries are key. The reason why people get liquidated and have problems inside of like margins is, one, they don't understand margins, and two, they do futures, and futures are very sensitive, and you have to be on point with your entry, otherwise you will get smacked around. So if you want to learn that, also go to the Discord, to the link I gave in the earlier the video, and join in there. We do have free trading classes that we teach people some basics to help you out. My trading style has a 70% win ratio. It's actually 77% on what I call trading for dummies. Something you can get, you can learn simple little lessons to take advantage of the market, even a volatile market like this. So this is really, we're looking really good here. Ape's bouncing off its support line. So we look good. So guys, we're taking a little bit of profits, a couple bucks here and there, and we're compounding that money, the little $10, $20, $30, $40 from our wins off of, let me see you guys here. So here's our stop market here. And this is where we would basically put in the $7.48, right? We hit stop market, collect that, and then we would scroll down and hit 100% of whatever we were putting in, and that's where we bought our 250. Sorry if you didn't see that, but we hit purchase, boom, and there we go, and we bought some more Ape. Sorry guys, I'm on the road, so I'm working on my laptop, so the computer is a little bit smaller than my 4 screens that I have on my main setup. So that's where we're at, guys. We're in here for 50 bucks. Let's take a look at our margins, and we simply go up here, hit margins. So we're slowly taking the profits from Terra Luna, and we're moving them slightly over here, just 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks at a time. And we're increasing a roll into Ape on a 10x compound. So we're compounding our compound. So hopefully we're able to get to, a couple $1,000 worth of Ape and have that jump to 40 bucks and get a 5x on that, and picking up an extra 5, 6 grand just on, having fun. Go Ape Coin. I took a look at Ape. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. For me, Ape Coin, I'm going to do a whole series on Ape Coin. Highly impressed with the ability of them to, create an entire illusion that everybody bought into. But I mean, I took a look at their game. If their game can do what it looks like it's going to do, it's going to be awesome. So here we go. Now we have 95 Ape Coin. We're at 84% debt to ratio. 95 Ape Coin. Debt to ratio 84%. We're looking good here, right? We're liabilities $600. So right now we have $600 worth of USDT in liabilities, which is that second line right there. Under the Ape, you can tell that's USDT, and that's the liability, 600 bucks. Right, so we got 95 Ape right now. Let's go. Let's go. And we have 84% liability. So we're going to keep an eye on that, guys. Other than that, we're just moving through our Terra Luna. Terra Luna's got a nice little move here. Oof. Beautiful. Beautiful Terra Luna. Like you started this video, if you remember, we had $1,900 worth of Terra Luna. We're already up to $2,100. So we're making our money right back after selling and taking profits and re-entering at the proper spates. So guys, it is a nice little move. Other than that, it's your boy VC. If you want to learn more, get into my Discord. The link was in the beginning of the video. I mentioned it, linktree.com/venture capitalist. If you want to take margin classes, mastermind classes, if you want to make $100,000 in a year, guaranteed, learn how to actually trade like a semi-pro. It's trading for dummies, guys. If you want to do what you want to do, come check out. We have a $50,000, $50 to $4 million Luna Nation inside the Discord. We also have Ape Nation, Planet of the Apes, Ape Live, where you can come talk about what you want to talk about. We have breakout signals, let you know what scams are out there, NFT chat. Guys, if you want to get into NFTs, we have a $2,000 NFT membership group for a year. I mean, that thing's going to make 100 grand. We're averaging about $60,000 in that membership. 2K to 50K challenges live. We got VIP signals. I mean, we have everything. And more importantly, down here we have education, which is all this is completely free. Technical analysis, helpful channels, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, security, metaverse, staking, farming, nodes. We have everything we need in here for you guys to be successful. The main chat is popping. Let's take a look here. As you can see, guys, everyone's excited here to move around and kind of see what's happening. So I mean, there's a lot of people in here chopping it up, chop 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 chop. People sharing charts, put in charts, information. I mean, we're printing money like literally over here. We're literally printing money, guys. So appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for stopping in. If you have any more questions, leave the comments down below. Don't forget to follow and share this video. We'll be picking people out randomly for giveaways, coins, NFTs, and etc. Other than that, good luck. Keep doing crypto.